Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and then you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. And now you have to find, click I agree. Then click accept. And click on supervise. Now click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Now click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. And now click next. Now click allow. And click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.